आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 9th August 2020. Here is a COVID news. The total COVID patient are 6,28,747 and recover cases are 14,80,848. Today's headlines are Prime Minister Narendra Modi to release 16 installment of PM Kisan scheme to 8.5 crore farmers today. To also launch the finance facilities worth 1 lakh crore rupees under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. Recovery rate from the COVID-19 infection improved to 68.32% in the country. IMD warns the heavy rain in the northwest India during the next 2 days. Mahinda Rajapaksa to be the sworn in the new Prime Minister of the Sri Lanka today. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal says India can become a trusted partner in the global supply chain. Now here is a news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be launched the financial facility of 1 lakh crore rupees under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund today through the video conferencing. He will also release the 16th installment of the funds of 17,000 crore rupees to 8.5 crore farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. The PM Kisan scheme has provided the direct cash benefit to over the 75 crore rupees to more than the 9.9 crore farmers. This is to enable them to fulfill their agriculture requirement and support their families. To scheme also has been the instrumental supporting farmers during the COVID-19 pandemic through the release of the nearly 22,000 crore rupees to aid the farmer during the lockdown period. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has boosted the self-confidence and the willpower of every countryman and its impact to the visible on the life on the poor. Speak after the inaugurating on the occasion of Rashtriya Swachh Kendra in the New Delhi last evening. Mr. Modi said the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has brought about a permanent change in our social consequences and behavior. Prime Minister said the cleanliness drive have been the big support to the fight against the coronavirus. Mr. Modi asked what would be happened if the pandemic like a coronavirus had broken out before the 2014. Mr. Modi said in the last few years lack of the people across the country who are inspired by the Mahatma Gandhi have been made the Swachh Bharat mission a goal of their lives. He said this is a reason to the government has been able provide the toilet facilities over the 60 crore people in the 60 months. Prime Minister will be inaugurate and dedicate the submarine optical fiber cable OFC connecting the China and the Port Blair of the national tomorrow through the video conferencing. The submarine cable will be also connected the Port Blair and the Swaraj Dweep, Little Andaman, Tidal Andaman and the Car Nicobar, Kamarota, Great Nicobar Land Island. Commercial and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that the India can become a trusted partner in a global supply chain. He said the world is looking the trusted partner where there is a rule of law. The transparency in the system is strong and the judiciary democratic tradition India fulfills all the condition addressing at a 75 summit organized by the CCII. Mr. Goyal said India has engaged with the world with the competitive price, the high quality product, large scale economic of the manufacturing, high productivity level, but not on the crutches of the government subsidies. Taking out the performance of the country's export, Mr. Goel said the current number outbound shipments and showing the sign and the significant improvement. He said the export last month reaches about the 91% level as compared to July 2019. Chemical and the Fertilizer Minister D.V. Sadananda Godwa has said that the next couple of the year, India will be the self-sufficient in the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients and the key starting material to reduce the import dependency and attain the drug security. Addressing a webinar and organized by the Pharmacy College in Bangalore, he said the 3 medical college device parks and the 3 pharmacy parks for development at an investment of 13,600 crore rupees will make this the reality. The ministry also informed that the 50 new outlets from the opening the recently, taking the total of the such outlets of the 6500 crore 732 districts in the country. He said by the end of the month all the districts in the country will be the Jan Aushadhi outlet. Jan Aushadhi outlet spell the quality medicine of 50 to 90% less rate than the branded medicine. For example, the sale the sanitary pad for the just 1 rupee during the previous year. Jan Shuddhi Kendra sold the medicine worth 430 crore rupees. Mr. Godwa informed that since the last four months during the pandemic period, the public saved the 1,260 crore rupees by buying the medicine in Jan Shuddhi Kendra. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said all the issues like excessive rubber deposit, water stagnation and the cracks that were the red flagged and the DGCA in the past were the addressed and rectified by the Kochiguda airport operator. In the series the tweet, Mr. Puri has raising such concern the normal work of the Directorate General of the Civil Aviation. He said the aviation regulatory strictly ensure that these are the compliant with the rectified under the circumstances. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has ordered the immediately appointment of the 200 nursing orderlies in the Union Territory after the notice the shortage of the staff in the isolation ward during the visit of hospital in Srinagar yesterday. Government spokesperson Rohit Kansal said that the 2 regions of the Union Territory Jammu as well as the Jammu will be get the 100 these nursing orderlies each, and the Lieutenant Governor visit the SMHS hospital and receive the COVID situation there. Mr. Sinha has approved the grant special move the travelling allowances 25,000 rupees for all the moving employees. Irrespectively, actual movement has the special case this year. The recovery rate from the COVID-19 infection has improved further and it has reached 68.32%. Union Health Minister in the statement said that with the 48,900 patient recovery in the last 24 hours, the country's total recovery from the COVID-19 has reached 14,27,005. At present, the active cases 6,19,088, which account for the 29.64% of the total positive cases. Such person has under the medical supervision either at a hospital or in the home isolation. The ministry said due to the coordinate the implementation, the test, track and track strategy for the case fatality rate has been low when compared to the global scenario. The center has directed state government focus all the effort reducing the COVID-19 mortality. The union health minister said the coordinate the granted and the proactive management of the COVID-19 by the center, state and union territory has ensured the national case the fatality rate in the side. It currently stands for 2.4%. India Meteorological Department has warned of the heavy rain across the northwest region during the last 2 hours. It has the issue an orange the category warning for the part of the northwestern India, which means the disaster management authority should be the prepared to the average any possible disaster. IMD said the monsoon through the likely to the shift the northward in the causes the heavy to heavy rain in the Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Western Uttar Pradesh and Eastern Rajasthan. Rainfall actively over the northern western India is likely to increase from today, and heavy rainfall is expected for the isolated place in the western Himalaya region over the next 2 days. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 9th August 2020. We will take same bulletin on the 10th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।